Welcome to this beginner's tutorial on how to remove a green screen in CapCut on your PC. Let's dive in. First, open CapCut and locate the video on the timeline. Now, let's add a video with a green screen as an overlay. Position the green screen video where you want it to appear in your project. To remove the green screen effect, select the video and navigate to the Remove BG option in the video settings. Click on Chroma key to activate the green screen removal feature. Use the color picker tool to select the specific green color you want to eliminate from the video. Adjust the intensity slider to fine-tune the removal of the green color. Find the optimal balance to ensure the green is removed while preserving the desired parts of the image. If desired, you can also add a shadow effect to enhance the visual appeal of the video. Finally, make any necessary adjustments to the scale and position to perfect the composition. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.